Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install LibreOffice on computer. Alright, now for us to get this done, we're going to head over to Google and we're going to type here LibreOffice. I'm just going to go ahead and look for it now. And then we're going to look for LibreOffice.org and then let's go ahead and hit the download button. Now that we've clicked that one, we're going to go ahead and hit the download button right here. And we're going to go ahead and wait for the download to begin. If it's not beginning, you can go ahead and basically just download it somewhere else. You can go ahead and click this one right here or choose another language depending on your case. So we're going to wait for this one to be done. Alright, now that it's done downloading, I'm going to go ahead and open it. Alright, there you go. So we're going to proceed and click next. Next right here. Just continue, go ahead and install this one. And then we're just going to wait for the wizard to be done. Alright, there you go. So installation is done. So I'm just going to hit finish. And then if we're going to go ahead and look for LibreOffice, you're now going to see all of the applications that it comes together with. So yeah, that's how you're going to download and install LibreOffice on your PC.